Your video starts. Say hi, guys.
Bad idea.
Joking.
You're crazy, man.
Welcome. You know this river name?
What is that?
Big one.
Acha.
Thank you. I saved my team.
Asiana. Okay.
It was experience for life.
Yeah, man. It's very cold. Guy. He's very nice guy, wallah. He's smiling all the time. السلام الله عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. أسعد الله صباحكم بكل خير. فيني كذا كأني بقدم في أخبار في إذاعة. المهم بنسيب، لا ما حنسيب المكان اللي إيش فيني أنا على نسيب. نطلع على رحلة بسيطة إلى منطقة اسمها كولو ولا كيلي. What's up, man? How are you?
Good, I'm good.
All is fine? Where we are now?
We are in Baveli. It's a place near Kulu.
Yes.
It is famous for river rafting. Hope you
River
have good,
Rafting, huh?
Yeah, hope you have good experience in river
I hope.
rafting.
It's first time for us, man.
Yes.
Time
Hope
for
you
me
have
too.
good experience there.
I hope so. You want a good name?
Abhishek.
Let's get the experience first. If it's okay, all of you come here, man.
Come back.
Peace and love.
Peace out.
هلا نجرب الحين كيف نسبح في هذه النهر الجميل ونرى كيف تبدو يا صديقي. قاعد يقول لازم نطلع كل شيء. هذا ما لا نتفق عليه. Remove your clothes, you remove your shots, remove your everything, please. All of you. Now. Come on, get your ass up. ما ينفع ناخذ معانا الكاميرا الجميل، ناخذ معانا الجو برو الله يعينكم على صدى امه الضعيف ذا. بس شباب في الرحله. نكل، how is it? Good.
Yeah.
All good. अच्छा.
ये पूछने से अच्छा है.
अच्छा है. اوكي. هو اللي ركب لي ذا. خلينا نشوف نكل ايش سوى. No. What is that?
Big one.
अच्छा. You see? He says it's wrong. Don't give me something not good, man. Okay? Yes?
Wow, that's totally fit. Up to head, sir. Like this. Yeah. Okay. Now comfortable.
شكرا.
Thank you.
كيف شكلي؟ مع المليحين الله المستعان. أنا. Okay.
Your video starts. Say hi, guys. What's your name, bro?
Ablash.
Yeah, I am the house.
Before you done?
No,
First time. Arun. Excuse me, wait. You know this river name? No. Yes. It's a totally glacier water. That's why he called. It's a ice water. Forward. Together, please. Yes. Okay, stop. Stop paddling. Okay, lock your feet proper. Okay, forward paddle. Forward. Stop. Okay, forward. Stop. Back pedal. All back. Forward. Come on, fast. Okay, stop. Stop paddling. Outside, everyone please. Outside. Back to position. Yes. Up your helmet, just little bit back. Helmet. Because your face is not clear.
Now.
Adipuli.
I don't dance because of you. He's the one.
Boss, our boss.
Arun, let them pass. They got stopped. Yeah.
Okay, forward. Stop. You want hot water? Hot water? Okay, come on, forward team. Same time team. Okay, stop. Forward. Stop. Stop paddle. Stop. Okay, forward paddle. Stop. Forward. Back paddle. Okay, stop paddle. Okay, hold the camera and say something.
Oh, very nice.
There's a day where I don't have to earn my money because it's so easy to introduce my goddamn self with these guys. See, all these guys over here, please like, share, subscribe, follow me. Are you okay?
It's very fantastic.
Huh? No problem.
I don't
It's
like
okay,
Malayalam.
it's okay.
I only speak in English. It's good, really good. Our boss is really good. He is very crazy.
Okay, once again, okay, when I say get down, 4 of you sit in the floor. No, there only. Okay, get down please. Hold the paddle and together. Chest down properly, chest down. And look at the camera. Hold the rope. Come back. Get up. Get back. Hold the paddles proper. No. Hold the paddle properly. It's not a command. Just hold proper. Okay, forward. Together. Stop. Outside. On fast paddle. Stop paddle. They are stuck in the rock. That's why I'm hitting. See, stone is there. See. Okay, forward. Stop. Forward. Forward. Together, synchronize. Both sides together. Yes. Stop. No. Okay, team forward, together, synchronize. Yes. See, they are struck once again. They are struck. They are struck. Oh my God.
The other side. Come on.
Come on.
They are same. They are same. So 8 people are together. No, it's a bird. Small bird. Ready? Forward. Okay, forward. Stop.
10 years of experience now, we got figured out, man. Thank God that we have you, not like other guys, man. See, look at them, look at them. It is simply bullshit, man. We have the best guy over here.
Swimming pool is also is there. It's a swimming park. If you want to jump outside, then go. It's a lifetime experience. Yeah. Forward. Yeah, seriously, it's maybe. Forward. Stop. 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 See. Back pedal, back pedal. Back. Okay, stop. Stop. Come on, forward. Come on, faster, please. Forward. Excuse me, outside. Bhaiya, outside properly. Yes, good.
Oh my God.
Okay, come on, forward. Okay, stop paddling. Stop, relax, remove the paddle inside. Okay, this is a swimming point. If you want jump outside, first hold the rope and then go easy. Nothing will happen. See, excuse me, see one member is down there. One jumper, bro. Nothing will happen. It's cold only. Excuse me, your glass first. Just leave it there. No.
I'm not.
Wait. What is it? Enjoy it.
Come get your ass here, man. No, wait.
1,
2, 3, okay? Ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Good. One more is there.
Come, get your ass here. Get your ass here. 1, One, two, three.
Good job, man.
Thank you. I saved my team. I saved my team.
How is it? It's cold.
Very hot.
Very hard.
Okay, back to position.
Yeah, here.
Yeah, this is your yellow.
Come on. You're crazy, man. You're crazy.
But you are not crazy.
Okay, lock your feet. Take your positions. Corner. Come on, forward. Stop. Stop. Brother, outside proper. Corner. Yes.
Fall down? No, you don't go down. Don't go down. But you don't like to listen. You cheat. You are three idiots. Shut up.
Yeah, no one like you.
You wanna die?
No one like
You
you.
wanna die? I help you. I help you. Huh? I help you. Oh!
Forward. Same time, easy. Not be fast, not a fast, same time. Okay, stop paddling. No. Okay, back paddle please, all back. Back paddle. All back. All back. All back. All back paddle. All back. Okay, stop. Stop.
Oh, come on! Every time we need to help you. Too much.
Okay, forward. Okay, stop. Back paddle, all back. Back. Okay, stop.
Thank you, Adam!
Forward. Look at the camera.
Hey!
Yay. Stop.
Ah! Good! It's very cold here.
Just 10 minutes more. 10 minutes. I'm not wet. It's your idea because you are a YouTuber.
No! Move!
Forward. Stop. So beautiful. ढूंढे क्या कर रहा है? Come on, forward. Stop.
We have the best.
That one. Temple. Vaishno Devi. Vaishno. With you, bro. Look at the camera. With you. Come on, forward. Come on, hard.
Come on, Abby.
Stop paddling. Stop. Forward. Stop. See, this is the traditional dress from here. Kullu dress. Forward. Stop. Forward. Stop.
When he says
Stop.
when he says stop, guys, please don't piss him off.
Okay, team forward. Same time, easy. Don't be fast, same time. Yes, look at the back side. Yeah. Okay, stop paddling. Thank you, good team, good paddling. Say bye. I hope you enjoyed.
You're the best.
Enjoyed?
Very cold, man.
Very lot of enjoy. I like very much. It's getting very.
Excuse me, look at the camera and say bye bye.
Dive. Be careful, huh? We have our driver here. أسوأ فكرة مرت علي في حياتي. It's the baddest idea I have never had it in my life. What about
Bad liar.
bad idea? But it's once a life.
It was experience for life.
Yeah, man. It's very cold.
But
Very
still,
cold.
your hands are warm.
Yeah, because of this guy, his car, is very tiny and very nice.
Acho.
Yeah, thank you for this. No, all right.
Want tea or coffee?
For me, coffee, of course. Coffee. tea. Go and change some stuff. طيب. الحين ممكن تسألوني تقولوا لي إيش رأيكم في هذه المشكلة إني مرة بردان حاليا عرفت؟ يستحق التجربة لكن برد لين تعصب ساعة. المشكلة إنه كل ما يبرد زيادة. شوف كويس إنه ما أخذت الكاميرا معي والله ولا هوا بارد يا جماعة بروح أغير. عرفتوا مين ذا؟ رجل شايف الطاقية الجديدة ذي هو اللي جننا يا شيخ. معانا جيت هنا. You're crazy man.
Welcome.
Enjoyed? Yeah. I enjoyed. عرفتوا مين ذا؟ اللي سواق اللي كان جابنا من المكان هذاك. This is the shop owner. He will close his shop soon. Okay, nice to meet you, huh? Okay, guy. He's very nice guy والله. He's smiling all the time. مرة طيبين. والكوفي اللي عطاني اياه المليح واحدة من أجمل الكوفيات. ضبطها زي ما أنا أبغاه. قوي لذيذ. على أي كوفي أنا قاعد أقول لذيذ، لكن هذه والله إنها خرافية. محل كذا صغير هناك في الزاوية خرافي. ترتيب. رخيص اصلا مو بذاك الغلا بالله زي ما قال لكم المليح.
Which name is channel? Yake John.
Please subscribe Yaya's channel. Like, share, subscribe. Okay. Yaya John, please subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe.
Thank you. Like, share, subscribe. Kelar.